Hello iPhone users, I know that you have complained that when you are over call, then you touch the side button and the call ends. So I'm going to help you how to fix this thing. So go to your settings area, right? Now slide down and tap on the accessibility, right? Here's an option below home screens and app library. You tap accessibility and now you have option of touch right in center. You tap there and you slide it down. Third last option is of prevent lock to end call, means view on this feature by tapping on that circle besides the written content of prevent lock to end call. It will help you to avoid ending call when you click on the side button, right? So this lock button will not be able to end your call if you switch it on. So this is basically one of the must feature that you should on right away after you see this video, and also check out the other videos. See you in the next video. Ta-da.